Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is create calculator using Visualforce. So let's see an example of creating calculator by using Visualforce and Apex class. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Apex class and Visualforce page, we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So to create the Apex class, we need to click on file, new, Apex class. Here I am creating the Apex class by the name Visualforce calculator. Click OK. So in this Apex class, we are taking the values f val means first value decimal set get, second value decimal set get, and result in decimal set get. So public void add method, it is going to add first value plus second value and storing in result. If we are calling the subtract method, then first value subtracting second value and putting into result variable. Then multiply method, it is going to multiply first value, then second value and putting into result. Then division method, so it is the first value dividing by the second value and putting into result. Public void reset, in reset all the values are clearing or putting null value, first value, second value and result. So to design the Visualforce page, click file, new, Visualforce page. Here I am creating the Visualforce page by the name Visualforce calculator. Click OK. So in the Visualforce page, we are calling the Visualforce calculator in the controller, and in the Apex form, Apex page block ID CAL, we are taking this page block ID CAL. In the Apex page block buttons, location is in the bottom, and here value we are providing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and reset, and calling the methods in action. So this should be like this only: addition method, subtraction, multiplication, division and reset. Then Apex page block section, column 1, title we are providing calculator. So Apex page block section item. So in the output label we are providing the first value, input text value f value, what we had created the variable in the Apex class. Then closing the Apex page block section item. Then for the next one, output label second value, input text second value, and next output label result, and displaying in output label as well result. This should be all in this format only. So if we are missing any single item from here, it will not perform. So we are closing the Apex page block section, page block, form and Apex page. Save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So we had given the title calculator, it is coming over here. By default it is collapsible. So if we are making it false, then it is not able to collapse. So first value we have to provide in this text box, second value in this one, and if we need to add, we have to click on these button respectively: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And if we want to reset the value, we have to click on reset button. So first value I am providing 8, and second value we are providing 2, taking the simple values to see that what the outcome is coming. Addition, so 8 to 10. If I am clicking on subtraction, then it is providing 6. The same is going to work with multiplication and division. And if all I need to reset, click on reset button. So like this we can go with large number. So putting only 1. So we are getting the respected result. So this is the simple calculator is designed with Visual Force page. Thank you.